All right, so welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for joining me. And Jamaica will face Dominican Republic in the quarterfinals of the Concacaf U20 Championships. Tough one, tough one. As you know, hit that like button most definitely. Also hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time. Since you're not here for the first time, make sure that you sit here, watch this video, and enjoy this video. Hit the like button. Now, we're going to get some discussion, people. So, the Reggae Boyz will be facing against a seeded team in Dom Rep. As you know, they got seeded into the knockout stages. And now, the Jamaica advanced after defeating Haiti 2-1 in a horror show. A total horror show. A dismal of a performance. Poor performance. Let's guess what? At the end of the day, final results really matters. I've seen worse performance than that. And can't say that was bad. That was really bad. Anyways, we defeated 80. A 9-man 80, 2-1, and in the knockout stages to advance to the quarterfinals. Now we're in prime position to make it to the semifinals. There's only one team standing in our way to make it to the semifinals as it stands. To make it to the World Cup as it stands. That is Dom Rep. Now, can the Reggae Boyz do it? Good question. Going to get into some details. All right. So, the Dom Rep defeated El Salvador. Yeah, the Dom Rep defeated El Salvador to advance to the quarterfinal. That game was a cracking game. Let me show you the details first. Of the date and time of when we'll be playing against the Dom Rep team. The details of the date and time of when we'll be playing against the Dom Rep team. So the date and time is Wednesday the 29th of June at 6 p.m. That is when the quarterfinals will kick off. I'm pretty much hoping that we get one of the better pitches, like what they played against in Haiti, with 80. So I'm hoping for a pitch like that. Now, nonetheless, the Dom Rep team is a well-drilled, well-oiled machine. In that game against the El Salvador, that game finished 5-4. Key pointers: crazy amount of defensive errors. Unbelievable amount of defensive errors. Now, in one game, they managed to score 5 goals. Can we say that the Reggae Boyz have enough goals in them to outscore this, in particular, Dom Rep team? Can we say that? So, for me, I'm not sure about that. I'm really not sure about that. But through the tournament so far, we have scored literally goal 4. We scored 3 goals, 2. That's 5 goals. We have scored 5 goals and conceded 7. We have scored 5 goals and conceded 7. In one game, the Dom Rep have scored 5 goals. We took 4 games to score 5 goals. The Dom Rep took 1 game. Now, when I was watching that game, there's quite a few things in that game that I saw from the Dom Rep team that we are lacking. The ability to run for 90 minutes non-stop, high intensity. Now, there's also a factor where I said that earlier, there's a lot of defensive errors. Because the game was so wide open, there was crazy amount of defensive errors and poor goalkeeping. Nonetheless, this is telling me that these guys know how to score goals. These guys know how to turn the pressure up, you would say. Can Jamaica withstand this fire force that is coming at us? Can the Reggae Boyz under 20 team withstand this fiery furnace that is coming towards us in the quarterfinals? We now have a few days rest to recuperate, and getting some tactical aspect, because I do believe that in the knockouts or in the round of 16, the Reggae Boyz against 80, we have shown a lot of tactical indiscipline, that we're not ready tactically, we're not ready in many aspects of the game, mentally as well. Even on the coach's aspect, it really highlights that we're lacking in many things on the coach's aspect. Nonetheless, coach is here. He got the job done. He got us through the group stages. He got us to the quarterfinals. But there is a but. No, we're getting where the bigger test lies. Where the bigger test lies. Can we get it over the line? I do believe that this is not the time that the team would sit down and rewatch that Jamaica versus Haiti game and identify all the major issues that we face, all the wrong things that we have done in that game, all the aspect of the game that we did not control as much as I would like to, as how we can now better that. This is now the time to do that. We have now ample time to put that in place. Most importantly, this is now the time for us to watch over that dumb rep game versus El Salvador. Let's identify their strengths. Let's identify their weakness. Let's identify how they can impact us, how they can hurt us. Let's also identify, most importantly, how we can hurt them. As I said, while I was watching that game, I saw many things happening. The tempo was high. The pace that the players were running was quite high. High pace tempo, high speed. Clinical edges, very clinical going forward. But guess what? Defensively, quite woeful. Goalkeeping, quite woeful. If we can put in a defensive performance, a strong defensive performance, and maintain our level of intensity against a very well-oiled machine, that is where we might stand a chance. But this Dominican Republic team seems to be one of those type of teams that knows how to control their pacing within the game. I haven't seen that from us as yet. They turn the tempo up, they turn it down, they turn the tempo up, they turn it down. When you see that the El Salvador team is getting weary, they turn the tempo up. El Salvador team getting back into the game, they turn it down, keep a bit of control. They do have that, but as I said, for us to score or outscore this team, it means that we have to match their tempo. That is what El Salvador did. El Salvador matched their tempo, and in the 80 minutes going down, the legs just wear out. The legs of the El Salvadoran players, they just wear out. And I've seen us played, and like for 35 minutes for the rest of the game, we have players walking. Can we maintain that? Can we keep up? These are the questions that have been asked. So, we will have longer discussions on this and really dissect what we think can happen, how we can approach this game going forward. I'm going to rewatch that game, Dominican versus El Salvador, and get a better and more insightful detailing of that team. But I do think that they're defensively capable of really hurting themselves. And I do think that we have the firepower. We have a player so this is a game. I'm going to get in the tactical aspect, because I do think that this is a game for a player like a Zion Scarlett. I will be getting to that. But people, I just wanted to announce to you guys that we'll be playing the Dom Rep, and the date and time, as I said, let's bring it back up. Date and time. The date is the 29th of June, and time 6 p.m. Dominican Republic under 20 versus the Jamaica under 20 team, Reggae Boyz under 20 team. I'll see you guys again. Until next time, people. Hopefully, you guys are doing good. See you guys again, people. I will see you guys again. Smash that like button, and most definitely hit that subscribe button. We're out. Boom.